General get cooked like chemicals, sizzling minerals to the highest degree. Do we agree? That right, nickels and twinkles. Such a bomb sunny day. Back, I'm pushing that line. I came in the creep slow in a phone. Unless you wanna hear that big snow, niggas that ain't.
Slumber feel INC is going down. I'm on seat, low key, low, I gotta do me. Or should I lose my brain and go insane like Trey D?
My bitch, your love, my trick, her mouth, my dick, your love, my trick, where the gangsters
Rolling stuff is kind of fashion, but believe this nigga's so to black. Pimpin' all live, and I know these niggas taking the eye.
yeah, laughing the guns on the yacht.
In the dance, foundation is all you need. Foundation is all you need. No matter what anybody says, foundation will help you understand how to move better. So imagine when you build a house, you have to have the wood, you have to have the bricks, you have to have the concrete. That is foundation to build the house since before dance, since before everything. Same thing with dance. We have a style of popping. Without the pop, there's no dance. There's no dance style popping. So dance style popping have foundation. So the basics is super easy, but it's how you put your flavor on top of it. How you put your funk on top of it. เข้าใจไหม? ไม่เข้าใจ Your flavor, Thai style flavor, Japanese style flavor, Korean style flavor, Chicano style flavor. Everybody have flavor because that is where your heritage, how you were born, your ethnicity. You have your own groove. Everyone has their own way to listen to music, their own way to feel the music. So put that on top of the foundation. Put it on top. And then create your own. For example, I like to use isolation a lot, but I'm not good too much in foundation. Just a bit. But I love waving. But I use isolation to put inside the foundation. Ani? I use isolation to break down the foundation so you can find your way with the steps that I give you. And also, another thing about waving and popping is a good mix. You can use the pop for more power. Just stop, boom, relax. Boom, relax, boom, relax, boom. It's good for inside the wave to make more quality of your wave. Something to add, you can add or up to you, but thank you everybody for enjoying a little bit of my style inside the dance that is all of our style. Pop it. Peace.